think we all are little weird when it comes to people we care about or the people we love, or showing them love feels different. Because, explain this to me. I used to think love was really big thing, something dramatic, movie worthy, but lately I have been noticing it's usually the smallest things. Remembering someone's favorite snack, sending them a reel because it reminded you of them, showing up even when nobody expected you to. I don't know. Maybe growing up is realizing that care looks different on everyone. Some people text, some people call, some people make playlists. Apparently, I bought train tickets. It's funny how excited we get when we are about to make someone else happy because technically none of this was for me. Not the planning, not the traveling, not the hours spent sitting on a train, and somehow I was having the time of my life. Like, for real. Who would have thought? Maybe that's why love isn't always about being loved. I think a lot of us spend years wanting to be chosen, remembered, cared for, but there's a different kind of joy that appears when you get older. The joy of being the one who remembers, the one who shows up, the one who makes someone feel important. And honestly, I wasn't expecting that to feel this good. And maybe that's exactly why it feels good because realizing you are traveling 236 kilometers not for yourself but for someone else. Anticipating someone else's smile feels like happiness too. And way too long choosing flowers, which is funny because I know absolutely nothing about flowers. I was basically standing there masking important life decisions based on their entire on vibes. Just because these look happy. And then the moment arrived. After all the traveling, all the waiting, all the overthinking, a door opened. The whole trip made sense. One thing nobody tells you about the friendship is that sometimes it slowly expands. It starts with one person, and then one day you are sitting at their dining table, eating food their mom made, listening to the stories, and somehow it feels familiar. Life is strange like that. It takes complete strangers and slowly turns them into people you care about. I think that's my favorite thing about being human. We make random people important, people who didn't exist in our lives a few years ago, and then one day their happiness matters to us. Their bad days matters, their victories matters, and their birthday matters. Everyone talks about love differently. Like some people spend years making sure their child never doubts they're loved. And even if it looks as simple as feeding them a piece of birthday cake. Like during this celebration, there was a small moment that stayed with me. Her mom feeding her a piece of cake. Such a simple thing, something we have all seen before, but for some reason, it felt beautiful. And later, I caught her looking at the flowers and I kept pretending I wasn't watching because seeing someone genuinely happy because of something you did never really gets old. Eventually, it was time to leave, which is the rule of every good day follows. Nothing stays, not birthdays, not trips, not moments, and honestly, I think that's what makes them valuable. If every moment lasted forever, we would stop noticing them. Somewhere between stations, watching the trees blur past the windows, I kept thinking about the lesson hidden inside of all these. Maybe love isn't one thing. So maybe that's this trip taught me there isn't one way to love people. There never was. There are millions of ways, tiny ways, ordinary ways, ways that don't look important until you look back years later. And so one of those ways apparently was a train ride to Ahmedabad.